Hi class, today's lesson is exercise 9D, box plots. So what is a box plot? A box plot is a graphical display of the five-figure summary. So this is what a box plot looks like. I will show you where each part of the five-figure summary is located. So down here, we've got the minimum value. Next here, we've got Q1. Then we've got the median, which is also called Q2. Here, Q3. And at this end, we've got our max value. We call this section here the box. So this is the box. And we call these end bits here whiskers. So sometimes it's called a box and whisker plot. As you can see, box plots don't always look symmetrical and even. It just depends where those key data points are. However, the percentage of data displayed in each section of the box plot is always the same. So in this section, this first whisker, there's always 25% of the data. This next section contains another 25% of the data. This section, 25%. And this section here, 25%. So basically 50% of the data is contained in the box. And 25% in each whisker. We can determine the spread of data from a box plot. So the range is this section here. It goes from the minimum to the maximum. And remember, to work out the range, it's the max value minus the minimum value. The interquartile range is displayed in this section here. So the whole box represents the interquartile range going from Q1 to Q3. And just a reminder, the interquartile range, to work it out, Q3 minus Q1. These are the steps to draw a box plot. First, you need to calculate the five-figure summary, which I showed you how to do in the first lesson. Next, you need to put these 5 points on the graph. So wherever your minimum is, you're going to put that in there, and then Q1, the median, Q3, and the max. Next, connect using either the line or the box. So we know that the first part is a whisker, which is a line, and the end part is also a line because it's a whisker. And the middle section from Q1 to Q3 is the box, like this. And then we just draw a line where the median is as well. So we'll do an example. We're going to determine the five-figure summary of this box plot. So the minimum is the part on this graph that's green. So it's between 1 and 2, so it's about 1.5. Q1 is the blue line, so it's at 4. The median is the red line, which is at 8. The Q3 is our orange line, which is at 10. And our max value is the purple line at the end, which is 13. Okay, this next question here, we're asked to first find the range. So the range is the maximum minus the minimum. So that's 29 minus 20, giving us a range of 9. Next we're asked to find the interquartile range, so that's Q3 minus Q1, so 28 minus 22, which equals 6. And then it says what percentage of data is between 22 and 28. So this is 22 and 28. So we know that in the box section, 50% of the data is contained. Could you please do the box plot worksheet and submit it to my Panola?